Gĩikaro kĩa mbunge ya Nyandarua, ajumbe maugĩte mũingĩ nĩ ũroria ciũria na gũteta igũrũ rĩgiĩ ũrĩa motungata ma ngari ici makoretwo makĩheanwo kuma thibitarĩ itiganĩte cia kaunti ĩno, makiuga motungata ma hi na hi nĩ mekĩrĩirwo gatithio na matikinyanĩire.
The number of ambulances in the county and the stations they are designated, the status of each ambulance, especially in relation to the mechanical status, pharmaceutical stock and other related equipment and accessory in each ambulance, whether there is an emergency response system in reference to the ambulance services and submission of emergency response policy.
I want to agree with the Honorable Congo that we need to know whether there is a policy guideline, a procedure in which these ambulances can be utilized in a more responsive manner. Should there be an emergency that occurs, how the responses are conducted, the kind of personnel, the kind of the equipment and facilities inside the ambulances.
Ajumbe aya maruga muingi uri urabatara motungata maya ni ukoretwo ukirihio mbeca nyingi o riria mari na mathina mangi maumite thutha. Speaker wa Nyandarua Ndegwa Wahome ni athingatite thirikari ya Governor Francis Kimemia ihanyukie waki wa wadi ya ICU thibitari-inĩ nene ya JM Kariuki niguo kugacirithia motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na kuhuthiria muingi wa Nyandarua murigo wa guthie gwetha urigiti kundu kungi.
This is a well-timely statement, Mr. Speaker, that need to be worked upon both by the Assembly and the Executive, Mr. Speaker.
I understand an accident that was here in Orkarao 3 days ago. A person is taken to JM with a physically broken leg. The person is told to go home, to come to the following day in the morning. That person had to hire a taxi and go all the way to North Kirangogo Hospital. So I think you need also to address that issue seriously, whether we have capacity to deal with the casualty in our country.
Gukiri uguo, kamiti ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ bunge-inĩ ĩno nĩ ĩranĩire gũthuthuria na kinyi mateta maya ma mũingĩ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua, njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.